you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, give this video a like if you want to see more makeup tutorials, and if you want to see more videos from us on this channel. We do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos, so make sure to stick around after this video and check them out. But yeah, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this makeup tutorial. As always, I'm going to start off by basically priming my lids with... Okay, so now that I blended all of that out, we're gonna get right into the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be using the Kayowa Beauty new eyeshadow palette that is dropping on Valentine's Day, so it's perfect for your Valentine's Day looks. This is the Sultry palette. I don't have the exact palette right now, so I'm not gonna show you the outside, and mine is kind of beat up, but basically I'm gonna go in first and I'm gonna use this pinky shade right here. And I'm just going to put that in my crease basically. And a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just going to put this above my crease and just blend it until I get my desired color payoff. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you go little by little because as you can see, it's very pigmented. So yeah, this is basically how I'm going to leave it because I don't want this look to be too pinky. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. Next, I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here, and I want this look to be a little more purpley, so I'm definitely going in with the purples, and I'm definitely going to put this in the crease and on the outer eye. So that's where I'm focusing in. Mostly in the crease, so under that shade I just put, and that's just going to deepen the eyeshadow a little bit and create some dimension. So yeah, I'm focusing it mostly on the outer eye and then slowly dragging it in later on. So as you can see, there's like some pinky slash purple tones, which is what I want, but I'm gonna go back with that brush and just slightly like bring back that pink tone right on top. Not too much, but just a little bit because it kind of got lost. Next, I'm going to go into this purple shimmer shade right here, and this shade is so... I love this shade. It's really, really nice. And I'm just going to put that basically all over my lid, starting from the inside to the middle where my purple shade connects basically. And you don't even need to spray it or anything, and you guys see like it's very, very nice, very settled but very nice. I actually really, really like this shade. I think it's amazing. And it's definitely different, you know, than the typical pink and red Valentine's Day. Okay, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go back in that purple shade and just intensify it only in the outer eye. So it can look like it's all connected basically. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this like champagne pink shade to put in my inner eye. And I'll use a little brush like this. And that's just gonna bring a little pop of color. Now I already had a little bit of highlighter in my inner eye, so I'm just trying to like make it a little more champagne-y. Because as you can see, the highlighter was really white, but I'm adding a little more of the champagne shade. Okay, so I think that's as best as it's gonna get. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes, and for my lashes I'm going to use these lashes from the Wink Cartel, and these are in the style Lorraine. I chose these because I feel like they're very like everyday. They're 60 millimeters, I believe, and yeah, they're just very everyday. They're curly. I think everyone would love them, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and yeah, I think they complete the look really nice, so I'm glad I chose these. Now I already have my lipstick on, and you guys know the drill. I always go for my Sugar Bee Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade CEO and my liner by Anastasia. So I'm gonna go ahead and top that off with this shade from Kayowa Beauty. It's a lip gloss and it's in the shade Champagne. I just feel like this completes the look like perfectly because it's like, it has pink sparkles in it. So I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's Day, you know? And this look. Damn, just look at how it made my lips sparkle so much. I love it a lot on top of stuff more than alone, so that's definitely something. If you guys like topping up your lips with gloss, if you don't like, you know, matte lipsticks, this is definitely a nice shade. And they have other nice like glittery shades, so I'm sure you guys will like them. So yeah, this is basically all for the look. So guys, this is the final look. This is all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys liked this makeup look. Definitely let me know if you guys rock it on Valentine's Day, because I would love to see your looks and your recreations of this look. And definitely don't forget to cop that Kayowa Beauty Sultry palette, which is dropping on Valentine's Day. So it's perfect, dropping on Valentine's Day, and you know, you can create a nice Valentine's Day look, or even a look for afterwards if you want to. But yeah, definitely share this video with whoever you think it might help. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She be mine on level. She did on level. She be mine on level. Say she did on level.